Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix this camera of Samsung Galaxy J7. So you can use this trick in any kind of Android smartphone. So in this time I'm going to recover the camera of the Samsung Galaxy J7. It is too much easy and simple to recover your camera of your Android smartphone. So hoping that you will watch this video until the last and you will be also able to recover the camera of your any kind of Android smartphone. So it is too much easy and simple. Okay, just you have to watch this video until the last. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press in the bell icon. So without any late, let's begin our video. So guys, now you can see here, this is my mobile phone. Okay, so first of all you need this kind of tools. So first of all you need an opener. Okay, then after that you need this kind of tools. Okay, then you need a camera. So after this, so I'm just going to open this one. First of all you have to remove all the batteries and memory card also. So in this time I am removing this one in this side. Okay, so after this, now you can see here, this is my mobile phone. So I am opening the screw one by one. So it is too much easy to open this kind of screw. Okay, so I am opening. So guys, now you can see here, this is my mobile phone, and now you can see here the camera is not good. Okay, so this is not in the good quality. So I already opened all the screw. Now you can see here all the screw I have opened. Totally it have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Totally there was 10 screw. So after that I'm opening this one. So guys, now you can see here I already opened my mobile phone. So I'm just opening this phone. So I'm just disabling. So it's too much easy to disable this one. So I'm just using this opener. So it will open from this side. Okay, just wait for a moment. Again I'm trying and trying. Okay. Yeah, like this. Yeah, the lock has been opened from this side. Again I'm just pressing from this side. Oh my god. Yeah, like this, and I think it is opening perfectly right now. Yeah, like this. The housing of Samsung Galaxy J7 and XT is amazing. You have to open from the side. Okay, then after that now you can see here you have to open this one from this side. Okay, yeah, like this. Oh my god, what's happening here? Yeah, maybe this one is not opening from this side. maybe like this. Okay, then after that I should to use this one from this side. Okay, it's opening right now. After that I should to use this one from this side. Yeah, now I have to open the I have opened this one. Now you can see here the camera is perfect maybe. Oh my god, it is working perfectly, only the glass is not good. So how to fix this one? So I think I should to remove this one, first one. So only the temper is not good for this camera. So what should I do? So I should to open this one like this. Okay, again I should to open this one from this side. Again I should to open this one from this side. Okay, so like that. So now you can see here I am just cleaning this one. So it is too much easy to clean also. Okay. So now you can see here. So I cleaned the temper of the camera. So I think in my camera, in this mobile phone, only the temper was cracked, but it's okay. So now you can see, and now you can see here is the camera, right? So I think I can remove this one also. So it is coming from the back side. So I think I should open this one from here. So here is the screw, and I am opening the screw in this side. Okay, yeah, like that, and maybe it will come outside after that one. So now you can see here. So if you want to change the camera, so for example, if I want to change the camera, so I have to open this one from this side. Okay, so now we can say this is the actual camera of Samsung Galaxy J7. So I think this camera will work, but this is the set camera, and I think I should not change the set camera right now. So I think the only the temper glass was not working. So if I want to change the camera, so I have to open this one. Okay, so here is the actual camera, and I can directly put this camera inside here. I purchased this camera. I thought that the camera should be changed, but when I open this camera, now you can see here the only the camera only the camera layer was not working. Okay, but it's okay. So in this time I am just showing you how to change this one. I already opened this one, right? So that's why I am showing this one. So after that one, so again I am using this camera right now here. Okay, yeah, like that. Then after that I should to again put this motherboard, PCB motherboard of this camera right now here like that. Okay, and I should to put this one here. After that I should to use this pin. So this is the pin, right? So this is the right pin. So I am just using this one, and so I am just, oh my god, it is working or not? Yeah, like that. So guys, now you can see I am putting the housing of this camera. So after checking the camera, so in this time maybe you already understand how to change the camera of Samsung Galaxy J7 and XT. So after that I am just putting this one carefully. Okay, so I am just using this one very carefully. Okay, so just wait for a moment. Yeah, like that. So I think I should use this one also. I find the sensitive case is the audio jack here. Yeah, I think I am in the right side. So I am just closing this one like this. Okay, yeah, like that. So after putting this one, you can press very softly like that. Okay, so again I am putting this one in this way. Yeah, like that. So now you can see here again I am putting this one. Yeah, like that. So I think my camera will work. So first of all I think I should to put all the jacks for this one. So I am using that one. So it's too much easy. So first of all I'll use this one, this screw. Okay, so I will start from here. So guys, now you can see here finally I assembled all the things inside my mobile phone. So I am just checking my camera working or not. So I am just opening this one like this. Sorry, I am inserting the battery of my mobile phone. So again I am using this also in this way. Then after that, if I turn on this one, maybe it will work, the camera. Okay, so this is the Samsung Galaxy J7 NXT, and it is one of the amazing phone, right? So maybe many of you are using this Samsung J7 Galaxy NXT, so that's why you are watching this video, right? So guys, now you can see here my camera is working perfectly. So if I click here, now you can see here it is working perfectly, right? So the camera is working perfectly. That's it. Hoping that you get few ideas about this video. So if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. I'll make a separate video on that topic also. If you have any kind of queries also, you can ask me in the comment section, and share this video to among the people who are trying to fix or they are trying to recover their mobile phone camera. In that case, this video may help them, and it will give me some motivation also to make more these kind of videos. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.